Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Bosch Filter-Fluff part number 752387. Bosch Filter-Fluff part number 752387 is a high-performance air filter designed to improve the performance of your vehicle's engine. It is made from a combination of synthetic and natural fibers that trap dirt, dust, and other airborne particles while allowing air to flow freely. The filter is designed to be easy to install and maintain, and it is also designed to last for up to 30,000 miles. The filter is also designed to reduce engine noise and vibration, as well as improve fuel economy. This part fixes the following symptoms. Bosch Filter-Fluff part number 752387 is a replacement filter for Bosch vacuum cleaners. It is designed to capture dust, dirt, and other debris from the air in your home. It does not fix any symptoms. Here is how you install this part. 1. Read the installation instructions included with the Bosch Filter-Fluff part number 752387. 2. Ensure that the area where you will be installing the filter is clean and free of debris. 3. Locate the mounting holes on the filter and mark them on the surface where you will be installing it. 4. Drill pilot holes in the marked locations and secure the filter to the surface using appropriate screws or bolts, not included. 5. Connect one end of a hose to the inlet port of the filter and connect the other end to your air compressor or other air source. 6. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.